This video will cover how you can view your pay details. Please note, for the purpose of this video, we are using a dummy MyInfo Online account in our test system. The second tab on the menu bar is the My Pay tab. In this tab, you can find information about your deductions, superannuation, bank details, tax details, payslips, and salary information. The first part we will look at is the deduction screen. At the bottom of the page, your deductions will be displayed in a table. This will show past deductions that may have ended as well as your current deductions. The table shows the type of deduction, the start and end date, and the amount of the deduction. By clicking a line and highlighting it yellow, a summary of the deduction will show above. Now we can go back to the My Pay menu and select the superannuation screen. Once again, a table of your super fund information will show and a summary will show above. If you have always had the same super fund, it will show two lines as the compulsory company super amount has increased from 9% to 9.25. The next link in the My Pay menu is to Primary Bank. You can view your primary bank details in this screen. Please note, if your salary is paid into multiple accounts, they will not show here. Only your primary account will show. You can only view this information. If you would like to change your bank details, please submit a change of bank details form to HR Solutions. The next link in the My Pay menu is to Tax Details. This screen will show basic information about your tax setup. It shows tax file number, and if you have selected yes to being tax exempt, repaying help, or repaying SFSS, the box will be ticked. The part we are going to look at now is called Pay History. You can get there by going to My Pay, Pay History, and moving across to clicking Pay History. This is a screen that allows you to access all your payslips. There is a table at the bottom of the screen which contains a list of your payslips. To access payslips further back than what is shown, you can click the arrow at the bottom of the page. The top part of the screen will show a summary of the information in the payslip. If you need more information or need to provide a payslip for a rental property application, for example, you can click the orange payslip button. Make sure you have highlighted the payslip you wish to view in the table below. You can double check this by looking at the pay run number. You can see pay run 4402 is selected in the table and pay run number 4402 is showing in the summary. We can now click the payslip button. This message will appear to say the payslip has been generated and can be accessed from the report output. Click OK. If you wait for a moment longer, your payslip will appear in a pop-up for you to view. As you can see, the payslip appears in the same format as the old paper payslips. If you need to, you can print this by clicking the printer icon. The next link in the My Pay menu is called Pay Period. This screen allows you to see a summary of your pay by year to date, month to date, or your last pay. The last link in the My Pay menu is where you need to go to generate your payment summaries. You can generate past payment summaries here, as well as the current payment summary when it becomes available each year. To generate a payment summary, make sure the correct line item is selected in the table and click the orange Generate Payment Summary button. The pop-up will appear which tells you a report has been submitted to be run and instructs you to go to Tools and then Report Output. Click OK. To view your payment summary, please click the Tools tab and choose Report Output. Your payment summary should appear in the first line of the table. To view, click the icon with the magnifying glass. The next part in the My Pay tab is Salary. In this part, you can see details of your remuneration, salary, and allowances. The first one we will look at is remuneration. This screen will show your salary amount and super amount and the total remuneration your position receives. You can enter a date in here, and this will show your remuneration at the point in time. The next screen is the salary screen. This will show a history of your classifications and associated salaries. Once again, by clicking the line in the table, it will show a summary of those details in the top part of the page. The last screen in the My Pay menu is called Allowances. If you have an allowance, it will be listed here in the table. If you think any of these details are incorrect, please complete a change request form on the Hub and send to HR Solutions team for review. For further information on how to use MyInfo Online, please watch the other instructional videos or consult the resources on the Hub.